Investment. What are the common types of investment, and what to expect from them? Two major investment categories are fixed growth and market-linked. The fixed growth investments offer reasonably fixed growth rate over a period, since the growth is known at the time of investment. The market-linked investments offer quite a fluctuating growth rate, since the growth is not known at the time of investment. Some of the popular fixed growth investments are fixed deposit, recurring deposit, national savings certificate, bonds, and so on. Bond is a fixed income instrument that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower, and is obliged to pay back the principal with interest at a later date, which is called maturity date. Note that a bond behaves like FD if held till maturity, since the growth promised is seen. However, several bonds can also be traded on the exchanges. And if sold before maturity, the seen growth might be different from that of maturity. For market-linked investments, gold, property, and mutual funds are some popular examples, among others. Market-linked investments have associated quantity and units. For example, 3 shares of a company, 1,000 square feet of property, 20 grams of gold, 10 bonds, etc. At any point in time, a market-linked investment has a CMP, current market price, that is, per unit price at that time. Investments in these two categories have different growth levels, ranging from low to high. At the lower end of growth, a 4% to 6% CAGR can be expected. And, at the higher end of growth, a 15% CAGR can be expected. An investment can be made in one go, as a lump sum. It can also be made in a systematic manner, with periodic smaller investments, such as every month, every year, etc. Some investments provide periodic return on investment, even while not selling or encashing the investment. For example, rental income, pension, dividend, etc. Such return on investment is an income source. An investment also provides one-time ROI upon sale of the investment. For example, a house or any other property. Such one-time return on investment can be called as profit. Upon sale of such investment, any attached income source, like rent, would stop. All investments have lots of associated mathematical parameters. There is no real need to worry about them for your financial success. However, you should check the following parameters before making an investment. And these are: growth, that can be typically expected. Expected liquidity, that determines how easy it is to convert an asset to cash. This can be classified as liquid or illiquid. Expected risk. This can be classified as high, medium, or low. Return type. This can be classified as fixed or market-linked. And also, what is typically a minimum time to stay invested in the product. Checking these parameters help monitor the health and growth of the investment over a period of time.